Okay guys, dati, during pandemic, I went home to the Philippines and nag-comedy bar kami nung best kong si Mimi Quezon. Dalawa lang bukas na mga bar noon. Isang comedy bar sa Quezon City, nakalimutan ko na yung pangalan, hindi siya sikat. May na-order kaming ganito na pulutan namin. At first time kong makatikim, no, it is a Visayan dish called sinuglaw, okay? So ngayon, i-marinate muna natin yung pork. Nakita niyo yung pork belly ko, ito. With skin yan kasi sa Pilipinas, talagang may balat yung pork belly. At medyo mas makapal ng konti yung hiwa ko dyan. Ayan, bababad natin yun guys. Ayan. And then we're gonna use our garlic na freshly, ni Brian, processed ni Brian. We're gonna put lots of garlic, okay? My favorite. Ayan, yung garlic. And then we're gonna put a little bit of pepper. Lemon juice. Kung walang lemon juice, calamansi. Kasi sa Philippines, they usually use calamansi. Okay? Soy sauce. Hindi natin lalagyan ng sugar to guys, ha? And a little bit of liquid seasoning. Ito guys yung ginagamit kong brand kasi ito talaga yung masarap. So, ang gagawin natin, imimix lang natin to, no? Then, imamarinate natin for around 30 minutes or so. Longer the better, okay? Sarap. Alright. So, ayan. Hayaan nyo lang yan ma-marinate dyan for 30 minutes. Then, moving on, gagawin naman natin yung ka-partner niya na parang ceviche or kinilaw. So, ito yung tuna. This is sushi grade tuna from our other restaurant, Sushi World. So, gagawin na natin yung kanyang base, okay? So, maglalagay tayo sa isang malaking bowl ng lots of ginger, okay? Na talagang pinong-pino yung pagkakahiwa. And then, what's this? Onion. And then, we're gonna put a little bit of lemon juice again. Kung wala, syempre kalamansi ang natural na ginagamit sa Pilipinas. Okay? So ngayon, ang gusto kong gawin dyan, durugin natin yung sili dyan para talagang kumapit yung anghang niya. Gaganyanin natin. Okay? Tapos, ilagay mo na yung iyong tuna. Itong tuna, make sure guys na yung kakainin yung isda is pwedeng kainin ng hilawa, fresh na fresh. Yung bagong huli, walang echos, okay? Then we're gonna add a little bit of salt. And pepper. Mas masarap to guys, maraming pepper. Since original tong pepper ko, konti lang ilalagay ko. And then we're gonna add our vinegar. Ito, the vinegar is the one gonna cook the fish, okay? We're not gonna cook the fish. It's gonna be eaten raw, like a sashimi. We're gonna put around 4 spoons. And then we're gonna add our cucumbers. Ayan. Yung iba naglalagay ng tomato, ako hindi ako maglalagay. And then we're gonna add our famous garlic. Yung iba hindi rin naglalagay ng garlic, but I like to put garlic. So, hahaluin natin yan, guys. Yung suka ang magluluto sa ating ilaw na isda. Lulutuin yan ng vinegar natin. I'm gonna add more vinegar. I like vinegar. Okay? And then we're just gonna set this aside. We're gonna wait for the pork belly to marinate and then ready to eat na to, guys. Okay? Okay guys, ayan, 30 minutes or so na, no? Iihawin na ngayon natin to for today's video. Sarap! Ayan. So, kailangan mahina lang yung apoy nyo dito kasi umaapoy yung ganyan sa mga grill na ganito. Mamantika kasi ang pork belly. So hindi ko iihawin lahat to guys kasi gusto kong ulamin ng pork belly lang yung iba. Okay? So that's enough. Alright? And then we're just gonna grill this. Kaya kumuha kayo ng ganito para meron kayong pang base ng ating pork belly. Ganyan. Sarap. Yummy. Okay. We'll be right back. Ayan guys, ang sarap niyan. Ulagyan nyo nitong pamaki. Yummy, yummy. I can't wait. Okay guys, ayan, ready na. Kunin na natin ito sa cooler. Pinalamig ko muna to kasi mas masarap to yung medyo malamig. Okay, ayan. Ito na yung ating inihaw na liempo. Iwain na natin yung mga pork belly natin. Sarap. Mangbabash na naman kayo. Green yung chopping board ko guys. Kakahugas lang yan ha. Doesn't matter. Kulay lang ang pinagkaiba niyan dun sa ibang chopping board. Iwain natin yan. Sarap oh. Iiwain mo lang yan guys. Huwag nyo nang gandahan. Pwede nyo rin gandahan. Nasa sa inyo. Kasi minamadali ko na at gutom na kami. Charot. For today's video. Alright. Ayan. Okay. So lalagay ko to dito guys ha. Napakasarap ng ating sinilaw. Ayun pa to oh. Haluin mo ngayon yan guys. So masarap. Ay nako. One of the tumutulo na yung laway ko guys. Drooling right now. Okay. Ayan. Ito na ang ating love 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 sinuglaw by OD. Gawin nyo na to guys. Napakasarap. Tuna ko. Sarap. Ang love 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 sinuglaw by OD. Bye.